Here's the CONFU Hair Dryer Pro, and we're going to take a look what it comes with. Comes with a few accessories, a diffuser and a straightener. Here's the dryer. All right, there's a few buttons here. This is the heat setting. This is the on-off switch with, it has low and high speed. And it has a reset right on the power cord there. That's nice. Okay, let's try it out. So this is it, guys. I like it a lot. I liked it better when I put this piece on it. It helped to make it straighter and a little smoother. And at first I had lower heat because I don't like to put a lot of heat on my hair, but I feel like it dried faster when I turned it up to the hottest setting. So now I'm just going to take out all my hair and blow dry it all together. And so this is it. I like the way it looks. I like how my hair has body. Sometimes when I use my flat iron, it's just more sticks straight and flat to my head. This is straight, but it also has like a nice little bit of body to it. This is it, the CONFU hair dryer. I liked it. It uses Ionic heat, and that helps to cut the frizziness and to create that smooth look. It has the 3 heat settings. I liked the hottest setting the best. I felt like that dried it the fastest. I didn't try the cool setting, but the cool setting is for when you're finished to kind of just set the style. It has the high speed. I used it on the highest speed. Again, I just wanted it to dry quickly. Normally I would use a little bit less heat, but I think it was very effective and it did a great job. I also liked this attachment, which helped for the straightening process. It does come with a diffuser if you have curly hair. That's it, guys. I think you're gonna like it. Click on the links below to check out more about it. Okay, thanks.